YouTube, this video is on a Ryobi vacuum cleaner. So it comes with this thing that you can mount anywhere, whatever, and these two attachments. And you just lift it up and pull it off. And try this with one hand. Set it down. Come back over here. I just have to mount mine here. And you stick this into here. Obviously, it's pretty self-explanatory. And then you're good. It stands up by itself. And so it's the 1+ HP Brushless. You can see it right there. And that's what it looks like. And I'm using a 18-volt lithium, 4-amp-hour battery. I have tons of Ryobi products, and I'm going to be doing videos on all of them. But the reason for this video is this thing just works really well. And you just put it down, and it swivels, as you can see, like this, and it has a light on the front of it. And I'm going to turn it on, and I don't know what it's going to sound like when I do, but obviously it takes no bags. You know, you can just release that area there. You can also release it from here, so you have this long, longer handle, and then you can put one of those other attachments on it if you're doing small corners and things like that. Or you can disconnect it here and have it shorter for like a little wet dry vac type thing, but it's not wet dry. If you don't need the long extension piece. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can get a better angle. So if you don't need this whole thing, you can detach it from here and put those connections on as well. And again, the light's down here, and it has a couple modes. So if you look here, this is to start it. So I'll just do that. See the light turns on. See it's lit up down there. And this is another mode to go slower. You see the color changes. And I don't even know what this one is. So that stops it from spinning, and now it's just like sucking. I've never even touched that one before. And you tap any of the other ones, you go right back to, that's full speed. So I had to turn that back on. Hit that again, it slows it down. Hit it again, that's fast, full power. And that's off again. As you guys all know, push this, you can see how much battery life you have left. And what else can I tell you about this? I mean, it works great. I love the light, especially when you're vacuuming at night, because you can see so much more dirt to pick it up. But it does a great job at picking everything up. I don't know. I just wanted something. I have a Dyson vacuum that I usually use for my rugs and stuff like that. And but this is perfect for like my tile floors, hardwood floors. It does a great job. And I just like to try and keep, obviously the floor clean, rather than sweeping and stuff like that. It just does a really great job. Stairs as well. And like I said, it's it stands up by itself. Push that down. And I won't turn it on, but it just goes really well. Usually when I get on carpets or something like this, don't mind me, that's all my raccoon food for this evening. Carpets like this, I slow it down, otherwise it will suck the carpet up a little bit, like the corners and things like that. But no big deal, you just turn it down, and it gets a lot of places. You can get way under areas. I just hit a leg. Oops. So you can get way under areas with it. It really, goes anywhere you want it to go. I wasn't planning on buying a Ryobi vacuum, but a friend of mine had just a stand-up vacuum like this. I used to use one of those ones that have a long cord, and it rolled around on the floor, and then you had like a handle, and you could do stuff. I didn't like it. I like this better. And it's easy to store. Like I said, it just stands up straight like this, which I love. But I separate it, and that thing that I just showed you in the beginning that's on the wall comes with that. So, if you want to mount it to the wall or whatever, you can. Or you can just stick it in a closet just like this, and it'll just stand there. Trying to think of anything else. Again, easy to remove this to clean it out. I'm not going to go through that because it's all, it's got stuff in there, whatever, just to make a mess. But all in all, if I was to rate this, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, I guess I would, for me it's a 10, but, I always like to leave room for improvement. But I've had no issues with this thing whatsoever. It does a great job. So if you're just trying to clean up your house or, keep it tidy and stuff like that, and I love it because I have so many Ryobi tools. I didn't want to have a cord running around because then you have to keep plugging it in different places. So I have so many of these batteries that it's just convenient. And my friend, she has to charge hers. So that's kind of the downside to me. Like if, we can see how much battery is left by tapping this. If it dies while I'm using it, I can just go grab another battery. I have like 20 or more of them. That's what I like about this, where if she's vacuuming and doesn't know how much battery's left and then it just dies, well, now she has to go charge it and wait, to vacuum again when it's fully charged. This is just great because you can just swap the battery out. So if you have a lot of Ryobi tools and batteries and stuff, this is the way to go. It's just as good as any other vacuum. I never compared it to hers, but it'll suck anything up. Pine needles, I have a lot of pine trees around here, and just walking in and out of the house, sucks those up easy. Anything. I've never had an issue with it. I really like this. Like I said, I'd rate it a 10 overall. Maybe, and again, because it's brushless, it's just, those are their best line. But it really works great, guys. And I hope, and again, I don't work for Ryobi or anything. I just like making videos to help people out. And when I find stuff that really works really well, I like to add it to my channel. So this is one of those things. So if you need a vacuum and you already have a bunch of Ryobi tools anyway and batteries, why deal with the cord and all those other ones? This thing does a fantastic job. And again, on tile floors. And I have used it on this carpet. It will work, but I find that I like using it more for, this type of thing. And, I have hardwood floors as well, and it just sucks the stuff up. So, I think that's all I got, guys. If you have any comments or questions, whatever, hit me up on YouTube. I will leave a link in the description where you can purchase this on Amazon if you choose. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you do, click my link. It doesn't cost you anymore, but they just give me a little kickback, which is nice. And it helps me want to keep making YouTube videos for everybody. So please rate, comment, subscribe. Please like the video. That helps the YouTube algorithm tell them that people are liking it, and they send more people my content. So hope you like the video. See you on the next one. Thanks again, YouTube.